Alright guys, about a month out from that last video. The whole car has already got primed. I primed it since that video, and then I block sanded the whole car, and then I reprimed it. Can't hardly tell, the primer's not shiny enough. Going to paint. Paint is on. Finally. All right guys, engine's in. Car is fully painted. We're gonna start assembly now. So hopefully we go smoothly. We won't scratch anything. Paint turned out pretty good. This thing's been a long time coming. Update, engine's in. Took some finagling, but we got it to fit. Everything's pretty tight in there. But it's in, it fits, looks good. Now we're just working on getting all the wiring done. All the harnesses are gonna start getting passed through. And assembly begins. Oh, all right, Brian, give me the rundown. What do we got going? Where are we at on this thing? Get in here. Get up in here. Come on. Better show me what we got going. We got the whole wirings going in.
Headlight switches in, fuse box is mounted, AC switches are in, Grenadier is mounted and plumbed, looming, pinning.
Pinning and looming and all the fun stuff.
Engine harness is in place.
Don't worry, this will all get cleaned up.
Spaghetti right now, but it'll straighten out.
Yeah, we'll get it cleaned up. All right, what do you guys think? Black or bronze exhaust, huh? I asked the guy, and I said, I think between black and bronze, what do you think? And then I asked Brian, and he said, well, you think bronze, and I think bronze, so the owner will probably pick black.